No! Where's the big one? What is up, people? It is your boy Chenzaloon, and today we are carless. No! I don't know if you've seen the pictures, but I'll put them here. Man, it is a sad sight. It is a sad sight. The babe watch is going through some serious cosmetic surgery, but it's well needed things that need to be fixed. I need to get the rust situation situated before it becomes a bigger problem and I want to falling through the floor or something crazy. It's got to go through Reteve, which is our inspection very soon this month, so I need to get everything sorted so I know it passes. I don't need that issue to go drive back and forth and pay more money and all that stuff. That's for another video. Anyway, today we are carless once again. I remember this feeling, and it's not a good feeling. But a couple months ago, my friends came here from Canada and they left me this head mount, and I'm literally just finding it. I had no idea they left me it. And I was thinking, like, man, we could have been having so much fun with this, with fishing and everything else, but what better time than today to throw the head mount on, do a little POV action, and I don't know, man. This is the life with no cars, so let's get into it. Go get it, girl. What's up, my good girl? What's up, my good girl? Good job, girl. Sí. No piña.
Cuatro bananas y una naranja. Faroles, ¿sabes qué son los faroles?
Pues,
Ajá.
sí.
Sí, una lucecilla, Ajá. Puramente.
Let's go.
Pero el 15 es desfile.
Sí.
Pero
¿En
creo-
Palma Norte?
Pienso yo, la verdad no sé, pienso que sí.
Possibly me voy por
¿Cómo no?
¿Cómo se dice? Me llamo Antonio. Buen fiesta.
Sí, claro, es buena fiesta.
Vamos.
Mucha mota.
Sí.
Eso es lo bueno.
Hola, Blackie. Hola, Blackie. Whoa, look at this guy. Well, that is it for me, people. I appreciate you guys enjoying this little POV session with me. A quick little afternoon. I mean, we did a lot this morning. We did some skating, saw the waterfall, made some food. Yeah, it was good. It was a good morning. Good morning. It's gonna be a long week without this car. I'm praying that it all works out. Everything works out the way it should. We should be back on the road hopefully early next week. Please, please, please. Anyway, people, I appreciate you guys for stopping by. I love you guys so much. Make sure you hit that like button. I'll see you on the next adventure. Gentlemen out.